Hello guys, in this video I am gonna show you how you can earn around $500 to $1000 profit from बिग एयरड्रॉप। ओके, सो तुम लोगों को मैं इस वीडियो में बात करने वाला हूँ कि कैसे तुम लोग $500 से $1000 का प्रॉफिट कर सकते हो। ठीक है, जो भी टेस्ट नेट का एयरड्रॉप आने वाला है। ठीक है, तो तुमको क्या करना है, देखो तुमको जो काम करना है, मैं सारा कुछ लिंक जो है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगा। ठीक है, यूट्यूब डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी रहेगा एंड द टेलीग्राम चैनल पर भी रहेगा। ठीक है, सो जस्ट यू नीड टू सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल्स एंड join our telegram channel so that you can get the all the links. Okay, so चलो हम लोग वीडियो को लेट ना करते हुए शुरू करते हैं। so how you can get $1000 to $500 to $1000। okay, so what you need to do, first you need to install your metamask। okay, because this is a testnet airdrop, so and the important thing is that this particular token means what token in this airdrop you will get, that is already listed on the get.io exchange। okay, so if you when the airdrop will be distributed, after that you will get the airdrop। okay, तो ये जो airdrop है ये ऑलरेडी मतलब टोकन जो है ये ऑलरेडी लिस्टेड है get.io पे। तो तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, देखो तुम लोगों को ये आना है यहाँ पे कस्टम आरपीसी पे, क्योंकि तुम लोगों का ऐड नहीं रहेगा। और मैं जो यूआरएल है वगैरह यूआरएल वगैरह है, जैसे कि देखो नेटवर्क नेम, चेन आईडी, नेटवर्क यूआरएल सारा कुछ जो है मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल में डाल दूंगा। ठीक है, तो तुम लोग वहां से इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके जस्ट इसको सेव कर देना एंड ऐड कर लेना। तो तुम लोगों का क्या रहेगा, यहाँ पे ऐसे मैटिक जो शो करेगा 0.1891 मैटिक हम मेरा शो कर रहा है, बट तुम लोगों का जीरो शो करेगा। तो तुम लोगों को टोकन लेने के लिए कहाँ पे जाना है, देखो नॉर्मली इस जो साइट है मैं एक फॉसेट नाम से डाल दूंगा, जो गेट फॉसेट, यहाँ पे इसको करना है कॉपी। यू नीड टू कॉपी दिस थिंग। ओके, आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, जस्ट do one thing, just copy this thing। actually I already took the faucet। okay, so I think I will not get the faucet, just 1 minute, I'm showing you। so what you need to do, just you need to copy your address here, you just need to copy and paste done, and after that you need to just submit your and then you need to confirm, because I have already taken, so I don't know I will get or not। तो मैंने ऑलरेडी ले चुका हूँ। तो देखो देन ऑल्सो दे आर गिविंग। ओके, so multiple time I can take, but don't take much more time because they can block you। so I have already taken, so it's showing like right now it is showing like 0.2891। this is a totally test net token, so it has no value, तो इसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। so please remember it, so don't ask multiple time that why can I withdraw this thing, can I send it to Binance, because you cannot withdraw this thing, because this is not the real money, this is a just a test, this is just testing purpose। okay, so now why you need to go, you need to go this particular website, why do you need to test your tokens। okay, so this I am showing you, you need to go to this particular link and you need to copy this thing। after the pasting this, what you need to do, I'm telling you, so just 1 minute। so see now the site is opening। okay, so what you need to do, see right now here it is showing like my wallet is already connected, but for you guys it will not be connected। okay, so it is just you need to connect your wallet with your MetaMask, that Mumbai testnet address। okay, so that is done। so after that, where you need to go, you need to go to this mint and burn sections, and you need to means it is showing my balance, okay, 0.28। so I will just add, not I will not add more, 0.10, it will be okay for me, and it will be like, see the side, I can accept this thing and I can mint। okay, so for that you need to mint and confirm this, so that more USD will get। okay, so this is confirm, it will take some time, so don't worry, because प्लेटफॉर्म, सो इट विल टेक सम टाइम, तो ये थोड़ा टाइम लेने वाला है। ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा। सो आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू गो टू दिस बर्न सेक्शंस। so see don't first do the max, after that you can remove like it is 254, right? so you can just 0.0154, and after that you can convert it to any other thing, any other token also you can token, but you can just convert it to the matic। so just because because I am telling you this, because so there will be some MUSD will be left, right? so you can just like uh 13 or something like that। so after that it will be like burn, and after that you need to confirmation, so तुमको ये confirm कर लेना है। after that there will be a pop-up and in the MetaMask, and you need to confirm this thing। so this part is done right now, just 1 minute। you need to wait for some times. So it is showing like, so my matic will be, so as it is a testnet airdrop, so it will take some time, so don't worry guys, it will take some times for that, so you need for that reason तुम लोग वेट कर लेना है. And this is done. So after that, what you need to go this trade button. Okay, after that what you will do, you just convert, means you have some Mobius dollars or something, and this token, this MO token is already, means you can convert it. Okay, so this is max, like that you can convert, and after that swap and confirm. So it will take some time, so and confirm this thing. This is done. After that, what you need to do, you can do one thing another time, means you have MOXU, right? So just 1 minute, it will be like MOXU. So it is taking some time, just because it is testing platform. Okay, so that's why ये थोड़ा time ले रहा है, ठीक है, it is taking so much time. So so now it is showing like why it is showing 0, I don't know. So you can do multiple things like Mobius dollar to MOXU, AXAU, जो भी है, and another you can convert it to the MOUSD to MOXU and MOXU to MOUSD. Like every day you can do 1 or 2 times, because they told like they will do the airdrop for the active people. Okay, so this part is done. So if you go to the dashboard, you can see, and even in mint and burn section also you can see like 0.2347 it is showing. So this part is done, and only these two things you need to do. After that, why you need to go, I am showing you. You just form you will get one, means I'm telling you, you need to fill this form. Okay, so see, you need to give your email ID, name, and like age, and how experienced are you in DeFi, and your comment, means when you use this particular site at this Mobius dot, how you feel, means what is your feedback on this particular site. So you can just tell them this, so it is, this site is little bit slow, like that you can tell them. Okay, so this part is done. So the first airdrop is done. So I will go to this next airdrop. Next airdrop is also very big. So what you need to do, I'm copying this thing in the in the my Brave browser, because I think this is a Twitter link. So what you need to do, see, this is a little bit investment kind of, this is not in means investment advice. मैं किसी को advice नहीं दे रहा हूँ कि invest करो, but right now this particular NFT minting, so the price will be 3 to 4. So if you have lots of means amount, you can if you want, you can, so you can mint. Okay, so 9th October, so it has some little bit good craze, that's why I'm telling you guys. But this is not any financial advices, so it is totally dependent, because Radium is following this particular thing, and the good important this is very important, right? And the soldiers, already soldiers, right? This is also very big, big airdrop. Okay, digital eyes also, and the main important thing, this Solana art NFT, when means इसका ऊपर अगर कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म लिस्ट हो रहा है, ठीक है, कोई भी NFT लिस्ट हो रहा है, तो बहुत आगे जा रहा है. सो मीन फॉर दिस platform, if the NFT is going listed na, lots of NFTs means becoming very giving very good amount of profit. Okay, so that is the reason I'm telling you guys. So if you have lots of money, this is not a financial advice. If you want, you can. Okay, it is your choice. That means your profit, your loss, everything all depends on you. So this is the second airdrop, and third airdrop is a good airdrop. So you just knew what you need to do. You just need to go to the, this is a totally free of cost airdrop, so you can just join like that. So this is because this is totally free of cost, so there is no financial advices I am giving you guys. ये तुम लोग याद करके रखो. So what you need to do, you need to just fill this form. This is a Gilem form, you know already. So you need to just Metaverse NFT, you need to just tweet this thing and retweet this thing and follow this particular account. Okay, so these three you need to participate, and I think these three will be very big airdrop for you guys. So प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. अगर वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, कमेंट करो एंड शेयर करो, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू ज्वाइन आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.